You're filming? Mm-hmm. Are we fucking filming?
Deep in the green, running the machine that never sleeps. Deep in the beef, steering with an 8-bit, glory 4 stories above. Injecting myself with sodium pentothal, sodium euphoria. It all comes out in one big blast. My face opens up like a Venus flytrap. Gonna order that black and salmon cappuccino. Gonna batten down the hatches on Manhattans. Waving in my back hatch, not sure what happened. What happened? What happened? What happened?
Drop the lip so I can see what's shopping. Show off our bodies and then go more hopping. Talking for hours about nothing at all. Eating and puking and going to the mall. My ego's so big. Filled Grand Canyon with diamonds and gold. And my high-class companions that accompany me, and they look worse than me, cause I got to deal with the podcast. Get worse, so I spend some more time at the store. Vanity and consumption is what I live for. Vanity and consumption is what I live for. Vanity and consumption is what I live for. Vanity and consumption is what I live for.
Yep. A lot of you are going to probably fucking die. And I'm okay with that. Because this right here is Tinseltown. Yeah. Tinseltown.